If you're trying to get your framing game on point, knowing the right carpenter tools is everything. Alright, so first off, you gotta have a hammer. It's like the basic must-have for driving nails and fixing stuff up. Then, a circular saw is clutch for cutting wood clean and quick, saves you a ton of time compared to a handsaw. Next up, a speed square is your best friend when it comes to measuring and marking straight cuts. No guesswork, you know? Don't forget a level. It's super important to make sure your walls and frames are perfectly straight, or your whole project could go wonky. For speeding things up, a nail gun is awesome. It shoots nails fast and steady, way better than pounding each one with a hammer. If you're new to framing, keep these tools handy and get comfortable using them safely. Always double check your measurements before cutting anything. Trust me, it saves headaches. Also, keep your tools clean and in good shape so they work well every time. One of the biggest mistakes newbies make with framing tools is skipping the level, which leads to crooked walls and wasted materials. Always use it to check your work as you go. Another common issue is using a dull circular saw blade, which makes cuts rough and uneven. Changing blades regularly fixes that right up. Last but not least, people often underestimate the power of a speed square for accuracy, relying on eyeballing instead, which causes misaligned frames. So get that square out and use it every time. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. And for contractors, it's a great way to score new jobs and connect with people needing quality work done around their homes.